Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Practice English with me. I'm Jelly.
And I'm David. We're very happy you're here today.
Today's episode is about daily life conversations. Simple English, easy English, English you can use every day.
Yes, this episode is perfect for beginners. If you are A1 level, you are in the right place.
Relax. Take a deep breath. You don't need perfect English.
You just need to listen, repeat, and practice with us.
Before we start, quick reminder. If you like learning English with us,
please like, subscribe, and share this podcast.
All right, let's start learning together. Good job for showing up today.
Daily life conversations. Sunny morning routine. Let's start with the morning. Morning English is very important.
Yes. First phrase. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Listen again. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Now you try. Say it slowly.
Great job. You're doing well already.
Another simple sentence. I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth. Very good sentence. Very common.
My example. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Nice and simple. My example. I brush my teeth every morning.
Good job listening. Let's repeat together. I brush my teeth.
Perfect. You're improving. Banana talk. Now let's talk about breakfast. Important question. What do you eat for breakfast?
Listen again. What do you eat for breakfast?
My answer. I eat eggs for breakfast.
My answer. My quick breakfast is a banana.
That sounds real, simple, natural.
You can also say, I drink tea, I drink coffee.
Let's repeat. I eat breakfast.
Good job. English is easy when you practice daily, at home.
Now let's talk about home.
Simple sentence. I am at home.
Repeat after me. I am at home.
Very good. Another sentence. I clean my room.
My example. I clean my room on Sunday.
My example. I watch TV at home.
Great sentence. Very common English.
You're doing amazing. Don't worry about mistakes.
Now we go outside.
Useful sentence. I go to work.
Or, I go to school.
My example. I go to work in the morning.
My example. I go to school by bus.
Repeat slowly. I go to work.
Excellent. Your pronunciation is getting better.
Let's practice questions now.
Easy question. How are you?
Answers. I'm fine. I'm good. I'm okay.
My answer. I'm good. Thank you.
Nice and polite.
Another question. What are you doing?
My answer. I'm cooking.
My answer. I'm listening to this podcast.
Yes, that's perfect.
Evening and dinner. Now it's evening.
Simple sentence. I eat dinner.
My example. I eat dinner at home.
My example. I eat dinner with my family. Repeat together. I eat dinner.
Great job. Small sentences are powerful.
Now nighttime.
Very important sentence. I go to bed.
Repeat slowly. I go to bed.
My example. I go to bed at 10 p.m.
My example. I go to bed early.
Good job. You used English for a full day. Mini dialogue practice. Listen, discuss, listen again.
Listen to this short conversation.
Hi, Jelly. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. What are you doing?
I'm cooking dinner.
Nice. See you later.
Bye.
Now listen again. Hi, Jelly. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine. What are you doing?
I'm cooking dinner.
Nice. See you later.
Bye.
Now you try saying it at home, out loud. Don't be shy. That's how you improve.
Continuing daily life practice. Talking about time. Let's continue. Now we talk about time.
Simple sentence. It is 8 o'clock.
Listen again. It is 8 o'clock.
You can also say, it is morning. It is evening.
My example. It is morning. I feel fresh.
My example. It is evening. I am tired.
Your turn. Say, it is morning.
Good job. You're speaking English.
Daily actions.
Now daily actions.
Easy sentence. I take a shower.
Repeat slowly. I take a shower.
My example. I take a shower in the morning.
My example. I take a quick shower.
Nice. Very natural English.
Another action. I get dressed.
Listen again. I get dressed.
Great job repeating.
Talking about food likes. Now food likes.
Simple sentence. I like rice.
Or, I like fruit.
My example. I like simple food.
My example. I like home food.
Good sentence. Very real.
You can also say, I don't like spicy food.
Repeat together. I like food.
Perfect.
Talking to people. Now talking to people.
Useful sentence. Nice to meet you.
Listen again. Nice to meet you.
My example. Nice to meet you, David.
Nice to meet you too.
Another sentence. How was your day?
My answer. My day was good.
My answer. My day was busy.
Great answers. Very simple.
Running daily activities. Now, daily activities.
Sentence. I go for a walk.
Repeat slowly.
I go for a walk.
My example.
I go for a walk in the evening.
My example. I go for a short walk.
Good job. You sound natural.
Shopping talk. Now, shopping English.
Very useful sentence. I buy groceries.
Listen again. I buy groceries.
My example. I buy groceries on Sunday.
My example. I buy vegetables.
Simple, clear.
You're learning real English.
Talking about phone use. Now phone English.
Sentence. I use my phone.
Repeat. I use my phone.
My example. I use my phone at night.
My example. I use my phone for messages.
Good job. Feelings practice. Now feelings.
Easy words. Happy, tired, busy.
Sentence. I feel happy.
Repeat slowly. I feel happy.
My example. I feel tired today.
My example. I feel good.
Nice. Very common English.
Mini dialogue practice. Listen first.
Hi, David. How was your day?
It was good. I went to work.
Did you eat dinner?
Yes, I ate dinner at home.
Nice. Are you tired?
Yes, I am tired.
Good night.
Good night.
Now listen again. Slow repeat.
Now you try speaking.
Even one sentence is good.
Moonlight.
End of day talk.
Now end of day.
Sentence. I relax at night.
Repeat slowly. I relax at night.
My example. I watch TV at night.
My example. I listen to music.
Good job. Talking about morning feelings. Let's continue our practice.
Now we talk about how we feel in the morning.
Simple sentence. I feel fresh.
Listen again. I feel fresh.
My example. I feel fresh in the morning.
My example. I feel sleepy in the morning.
That's okay. Both are real.
Your turn. Say, I feel good.
Great job. You're speaking English clearly. Coffee. Talking about drinks.
Now let's talk about drinks.
Simple sentence. I drink water.
Repeat slowly. I drink water.
My example. I drink water in the morning.
My example. I drink tea.
You can also say, I drink coffee.
Repeat with us. I drink tea.
Nice. Very natural English. Housework talk. Now, housework.
Easy sentence. I clean the house.
Listen again. I clean the house.
My example. I clean the house on Sunday.
My example. I clean my room.
Good sentence.
You are learning real daily English.
Bus travel talk. Now travel talk.
Simple sentence. I go by bus.
Repeat slowly. I go by bus.
My example. I go to work by bus.
My example. I go by train.
Good job.
Small sentences. Big progress.
Work or study.
Now work or study. Sentence. I work in an office.
Or, I study at home.
My example. I work during the day.
My example. I study English.
Yes, you are studying English right now.
That's great. Lunchtime talk.
Now lunchtime. Easy sentence. I eat lunch. Repeat. I eat lunch.
My example. I eat lunch at home.
My example. I eat rice for lunch.
Good. Very common English. Now likes.
Now likes. Sentence. I like music.
Repeat slowly. I like music.
My example. I like soft music.
My example. I like English podcasts.
Nice choice.
You can also say, I like movies.
Good job repeating. Now afternoon.
Now afternoon.
Sentence. I feel tired.
Repeat slowly.
I feel tired.
My example. I feel tired after work.
My example. I take rest.
Simple and real. Now relax time.
Sentence. I relax at home.
Repeat. I relax at home.
My example. I watch TV.
My example. I listen to music.
Good job.
Mini conversation practice. Listen first. Hi, David. How are you?
I'm fine. I feel a little tired.
Did you eat lunch?
Yes, I ate lunch at home.
What are you doing now?
I'm relaxing.
Nice. Enjoy your time.
Thank you.
Now listen again. Slow repeat.
Now you try speaking. One sentence is enough.
Good job trying. David, now evening time.
Sentence. I go for a walk.
Repeat slowly. I go for a walk. My example. I go for a walk in the evening. My example. I walk with my friend.
Very natural.
Dinner practice.
Now dinner.
Sentence. I cook dinner.
Repeat. I cook dinner.
My example, I cook simple food.
My example, I eat dinner with my family.
Nice sentence. Now night feelings.
Sentence, I feel sleepy.
Repeat slowly. I feel sleepy.
My example, I go to bed early.
My example, I sleep at 10.
Good job.
Wrap up. Great work today.
Let's recap some key sentences.
I wake up at, I eat breakfast, I go to work, I eat dinner, I go to bed.
Simple, useful, real English.
You practice daily life English today.
And yes, you are improving already.
Keep practicing, little by little.
Before we go, fun question for you.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
Let's review today.
I take a shower. I like food. I go for a walk. I buy groceries. I feel happy.
You practice real English.
We are proud of you.
Keep practicing every day.
Fun question for you. What do you do after dinner?
Tell us in the comments.
Let's review together.
I drink water. I clean the house. I go by bus. I eat lunch. I relax at home.
You used English for a full day.
You are doing great.
Don't stop practicing.
Fun question for you. What do you do in the evening?
Tell us in the comments.
We love your answers.
See you in the next part.
Keep practicing English every day.
Bye. Good job.